Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a place you visited on vacation. So please, you can start.
I visited Gilgit-Baltistan during my last vacations in 2021 September. This is a beautiful valley located 5,000 feet above from the sea level. Uh, Actually, it is the capital city of Gilgit-Baltistan province, which is Gilgit-Baltistan province of Pakistan. It is basically it provides a connection between two rivers, Hunza River and the Gilgit River. It also provides the junction road between Karakoram Highway and the road going towards China, Skardu, and China Skardu, and the other valley, Karakoram Highway towards next day I went there with my family. We enjoyed a lot our vacations there. We went there in the summer season, so we enjoyed a lot because there was no stoppage or the barriers on the roads due to ice.
Okay, thank you. Overall,
Yes.
it's good. Just try to connect your ideas and focus on organization. Organization means first talk about one portion, then talk about second portion, and this is how you should go on, right? Now, we move on. Speaking part 3. Why are some popular attraction that people like to, what are some popular attractions that people like to visit in your country?
People like to visit our country due to its temperature and familiar weather conditions, and because of northern
You need to
areas.
talk about places. What are some popular attractions? Popular attractions are popular places that people like to visit.
Our country has different historical places, which is the most attraction of the tourist, and plus the some northern areas. We have in our we have some northern areas like Naran, Gilgit, Skardu, Swat. Uh,
So people love to visit such type of places. So
People
try
love.
to use a variety of words whenever they ask you a question. The wording we have in the question, try to use synonyms of that very thing, right? Okay, thank you.